How to spot fake Funko Pop. 10 tips. Number 1. Check the color of the Funko box. Fake Funko box is usually faded color or has a darker tone. Real Funko box has bright and vibrant color. Here's another example. Fake Funko box color has a darker tone. Number 2. Check the logo, brand title and font type. First, check if there is any missing Funko logo. Second, check the Pop logo's color. Real Pop logo is bright orange-yellow gradient, not greenish-yellow tone. Brand title has missing logo details. Check the font type difference. Look out for font spacing error. Number 3. Check for the trim line of the box. Real Funko box is nicely trimmed. This fake Funko has uneven trimming. Here's another example. This fake Funko box has an unusual thicker trim line. Number 4. Check the detail at the back of the box. Look out for the difference in the color tone. This is very obvious. The back of the box has missing Funko logo and a big portion of product information is missing. Similar to the front of the box, the brand title has missing details. As we move on to tip number 5, please smash the like and subscribe button if you like the tips we share. Tip number 5. Check in the details at the base of the box. There must be a serial number or manufacturing date at the base of the box. The fake Funko has missing serial number. This fake Funko has missing Funko logo. Tip number 6. Download the Funko app to scan the barcode. The barcode must match the Funko product. This fake Funko's barcode does not match the Funko Pop. Tip number 7. Look out for a brief product details on the inner flap at the base of the box. The fake Funko has missing product details. Tip number 8. Match the serial number on the figurine with the serial number on the box base. This fake Funko do not have any serial number on the figurine. Here's another example. The serial number is under the feet. The real Funko's serial number under the feet matches the number on the box base. As we move on to tip number 9, please smash the like and subscribe button if you like the tips we share. Tip number 9. Check the figurine for any defects or poor paint quality. For example, this Naruto Sasuke's curse mark has incomplete pattern on his face. His yellow eye is of a different color from the real Funko Pop. The next obvious defect is the different hairstyle near the forehead. His blue lightning is also in a different color tone. Let's take a closer look at his hand and arm. Fake Funko has poor paint quality. Lastly, the waist pouch is also in different color from the original. Tip number 10. Where did you buy it from? Let's do a comparison on Loki Endgame Funko. A reseller is selling at $195 shipping from USA. Another reseller sell at $29.99 shipping from China. It's more than 50% cheaper. With such large price gap difference, high chance the Funko Pop is a fake. Another reseller sell at $19.08 shipping from Sri Lanka. The cheapest rate we can find. It's too good to be true. High chance it's a fake Funko Pop too. As toy collectors, let's avoid buying fake Funko Pop. If you have learned something from this video, please smash like and subscribe button. Leave us a comment. What is your biggest takeaway from this video? We hope to hear from you. Till then, happy toy collecting.